Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林執小 Joseph Lin. And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase I forgot. 我忘了，先教大家怎么说好吗？
Okay. 我唔記得。
我唔記得 That means I forgot. All right. For this edition, let's put you in the office place. 其实在工作的时候啊，常常会忘记一些开会啦，
时间到了，忘记了，
或者是要缴什么，要回复什么 email 啊，这种东西，
然后打报告啊，
就完蛋了，你知道吗？会被盯的，你知道这很不好，所以呢，还是要有一个记事簿要写下来才对。
然后还要闹钟，
对。In an office place, maybe you forgot a report, maybe you forgot there's a meeting this afternoon, and whatnot. Let's put you in this scenario, okay? 开会的报告准备好了吗？ Is your report ready for the meeting?
開飛機報告，
開飛機報告，
準備好嘛？
準備好嘛？
開飛機報告準備好嘛？
開飛機報告準備好嘛 ？OK， 準備就是準備 ，right？ 準備 that means getting ready。好嘛？好了嗎 ？OK，Are you ready with your 開會報告？開會就是開飛，OK， 然後報告就是報告。All right， 哎呀，糟糕了，聽到說，哎呀，對哦，有開會，哎呀，還要寫報告吼，
對啊，
兩個都忘了怎麼辦？
糟糕了，
趕快躲在廁所。哎，糟糕，我忘了要開會。That means, oh no, I forgot there's a meeting.
慘你，我唔記得愛開飛，
我唔記得愛開飛。OK， 慘你就慘了啦，就慘了呢，哈。That means, oh no, this is bad, right? 我忘了要開會，
然後我就會說你慘了。
哎呦，你還要這樣子傷口上撒鹽呢？我已經自己知道很糟糕了。
那我教你這句話，你下次就會記得了。
怎麼說你慘了？
慘你，
慘你 That means you are in trouble. 那樣子 OK 慘你 OK Now let's review some of these phrases such as a meeting 開會
開
飛 and a report 報告 and then to get ready prepare for it 要準備準備其實這三個字在工作場合常常會用到最後還是要教你慘了對不對慘你 That means you're in trouble 其實這不只是在工作上都可以很好用啊你慘了啦Alright, it's all about forgetting something, so 我忘了怎麼說我唔記得 And now you know, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
按字寫章來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.